Nature Breakthroughs with Dr. Wild Ben Goldman. Conversations with changemakers in a world gone mad. To discover what you need for personal, organizational, and societal change, get your free download of 3 Ancient Rituals Smart Entrepreneurs Use to Bounce Back from shifts in the market and inside themselves. Go to www.naturebreakthroughs.com.
Yes, you pull them till I bite down. On the lies that you built from my doubt. I don't want money, I don't want cars, I just want to be free.
There's nothing about how to think about fundraising. Thinking is very powerful. The ideas you have are the ideas that you live out. And an organization is an organic being just like you and I.
Would you call yourself like a nature artist?
I'm artists that are interested in ecology, sustainability, and climate change.
And so you're really like a world expert on all kinds of societal changes, right? Like social movements and revolutions.
I work primarily on a question of labor, political organization, migration, workers' movements.
How important are those social movements to the shape of the world and how the world it has changed in the past and will change in the future?
You really want me to do this? I'm tired.
That was too big of a question.
That led me actually into ultra marathon running. So talk about change. Like, people knew me in my town as being this party guy.
Little things would happen, like the director texting me about the forest bathing book and introducing me to that, and I'm like, well, this is kind of where I was at. But along prior to that, I got introduced to this program. It was a small business entrepreneurship class just for formerly incarcerated people.
I met a professor down there. Turned out that he was a scam artist and apparently consulted for some high-level people in the world. But he was also connected to the mafia, I found out later.
Same bipolar guy or someone different?
No, this is another guy.
You had a whole cadre of...
You could make a movie out of it.
Maybe I could make a gesture by controlling a gun in an aesthetic manner so that it would simply splash in the river and not have harmed anything or anyone under any circumstances.
Thanks for listening to the Nature Breakthroughs podcast with Dr. Wild Ben Goldman. To discover what you need for personal, organizational, and societal change, get your free download of 3 Ancient Rituals Smart Entrepreneurs Use to Bounce Back from shifts in the market and inside themselves. Go to www.naturebreakthroughs.com.